bags. And happy 1st of October. Happy Spooktober, everybody. So, I was just playing with the volume a little bit. I'm going to play with it a little more. I just want to make sure I give you guys a good stream. I think we're good. I think you guys can hear me now. Okay, because I know in the last video I made with this game, it overpowered my voice, so you couldn't hear me very well. But I think we got it. We're going to try it out and just go from there. But yeah, like I said, happy Spooktober. And man, when I tell you guys, we have a busy October ahead of us. I'm not lying. We're going to try to play through 3 games simultaneously. Like I told you in the last video, I don't know if you heard because of the music and everything drowning me out. But we're going to try to play through this, which is Lollipop, Chainsaw, Repop. We're going to try to play through Dead Rising Deluxe Remaster. And we're going to also play through Silent Hill 2 Remake, which comes out next week. Actually, 1 week from today. So I'm excited about it. And plus, we got 2 16-bit games coming out, Halloween and Ash vs. Evil Dead, which I'm going to get those, and we're going to play through those as well. They're kind of like 16-bit hack and slash. So, yeah, guys, Spooktober might take us all the way until November. So, I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys are excited. And without further ado, let's just dive right back into Lollipop, Chainsaw, Repop. The last time I played this game, man, this game was fun. A lot of asses being kicked. I whooped a lot of ass. I got my ass whooped a little bit. Just the gore in it is fun. The dialogue is funny. I love how you just run around and just cut everybody's heads off with chainsaws and shit. That shit funny as hell.
I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free.
That hardly makes
Jesus.
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
This is gonna be interesting. Oh.
Hello, Greetings!
This is...
Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, you men?
This is gonna be interesting.
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another
No,
dark
but it's
purveyor.
badass.
Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me?
Jeez.
What's up, Juliet?
Cordelia, Juliet's older sister.
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass!
Hell yeah!
Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Can't hear you!
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise, I'd be pissing myself right now.
Dude, this game is awesome, man. I'm sorry. This game is so... Oh, the football team. Whoop some ass.
Check out this new trick, Nick. It's called the Chainsaw Dash.
The Chainsaw Dash. I do? Or do I just jump? I kick balls over it? How the hell do you do the chainsaw with the, there you go. Is that how you do it? Wait, so do I chainsaw dash up this?
Wait, stop!
There we
It
go.
makes me dizzy.
Okay.
Ah! Watch the eyes.
Hell yeah, that's pretty cool. That was fun. I was like, what the hell? What's that?
Where to now?
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know! Yay! Let's get to the roof of the school and find that floaty boat.
Bitch. Have that.
Explosions
I
are
do a
such
lot.
a cliche.
Felt that in my spinal stud.
Aw, man, our quarterback's a zombie.
Kill him anyway.
Ouch. Blah 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 blah. Bitches. Have that fucker. Bitch. Say hut. Oh shit. That's for you. Now we got the baseball team.
Hey, look, it's the World Series of Lame.
World Series of lame. Oh, that was cool as hell. Hey, how are you hitting me with no? Have that. Sklow. Bitch. Hitting me with no arms. Oh. Boom. Oh god, this damn
I
chainsaw
hate it when
dash
everyone
again.
turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck.
Yay.
It is fun. It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead.
Chainsaw dash. Lollipops. We don't need one right now. Hello? Anybody home? I'm here to kick some ass.
Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. I didn't want to do that. That pisses me off. I bought an outfit that I didn't want to buy. Alright, main characters. Cordelia. Juliet's older sister, a zombie hunter with attitude known as the best sniper amongst zombie hunters, Hernoffs, talking in movie theaters, sea monsters. Nick, Juliet's boyfriend, cool guy with okay grades, retains his humanity from the neck up. Hobbies, badminton, bass guitar, masturbation. So stupid. Juliet, cheerleader at San Romero High School, comes from family of zombie hunters. Secret kink, likes to be told she's not fat. Junji Makaria, whatever his last name is, aka Sensei. Master of the Zomboid science is Juliet's sensei, Japanese Shimakawa Karate 35th level black belt. Holy crap. Hobbies, karate, Kama Sutra. Oh my god. Women's underwear. Fucking god. Swan. Out of place high school kid, top of his class, and abused at school. He loathes people and society. Fun fact, practices broody faces in the mirror. Okay. Alright, I get that. That's it. BX, okay. EA, okay. Zombie Hunter Guide. Pause menu. Check out how to cook zombie in the pause menu by pressing, okay. Chainsaw dash, right bumper. What's this? Nick ticket lets you use Nick roulette. Push left trigger down if you have a ticket, okay. Target lock on left bumper. Okay, leapfrog, okay. Alright. Master Zombie Hunter Guide. What's this? Kill zombie counter. Kill zombie will tell you how many zombies you have left to kill. Recovery, lollipops, okay. Platinum zombie medal. Platinum zombie medals are the most valuable. Sparkle hunt and kill them. Name zombies to get. Okay, shop. Uber zombie. Zombies with health bars above their heads are more aggressive and harder to kill. Fire zombies and bomber zombies. Bomber zombies will explode on contact with a fire zombie. Teacher terror. Teacher zombies are the worst. Find their weak spot. Make them vulnerable to attack. Nick zombie. When you find a blue headless zombie, you can Put Nick's head on it. A mini game will then start. Juliet's phone. Okay. Juliet receives calls from her family. Remember to check often or when prompted. Zombie album. Named zombies you killed or stored in your zombie album. Check for more info about them. Blue barrel. Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay. Alright.
Awesome.
God, you're high. I adore you.
Well, what are we doing?
Nick toss.
What the hell did that do? That didn't do anything. That was pointless. That was dumb. That was stupid.
No!
Wasted all that time for a neck toss and it didn't do nothing.
You're gonna be fine, ma'am.
Whoa, it's like backdraft, rabies.
Hold on, victim dude. I'm coming to help.
He said backdraft with rabies. Bitch. Oh. Have that. That's for you. You're welcome.
I need a girlfriend.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
Like, aren't they supposed to be serious? It's like she's never met him before. What the hell? I'll tell you, this game is great, though. I ain't gonna lie. It's just fun. Especially because I've never played the OG. Oh, yeah. Okay.
All these small fires are dangerous, but kind of atmospheric and romantic. Don't you think, Nick?
Yeah, but I think we need to stay focused.
I know. Wasn't like I was gonna make out with you or something.
I didn't know what you meant.
Please have a fist. Alright, let's see here. Anything? Oh.
Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
I don't know. We could take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool. There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal.
Damn, she's talking about giving it up, yo. 50% chance it's gonna be a cannibal. Ready to whoop some ass, come on. Oh, he's gonna shove a bat up my ass. Bitches.
Your goal.
3 more.
Pop it.
Fucking awesome. Three more. Ah, it was easy. Shit, I'll take that all day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where's There's a Nick head.
Let's pop you on this. One. Awesome, Nick. You're the best.
Let me take care of this, Juliet. I'll just raise my fist and ah! I use magic.
That's cool.
So how long have you been a zombie hunter?
Forever. I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
6 months old with a sharpened rattle. Holy shit.
We're here to help you. You're gonna be fine.
Oh, looks like I'm gonna be fine. That's for you.
That's the parachute from Cordelia's present.
My present. I gotta go get my present. Hold on. I gotta get this lollipop first, though. Yum. Yeah.
Shopping just makes me feel better about myself.
No. Alright, let's see if we can.
Let's go.
Let's do
Time for
this.
Chainsaw Dash again.
Drive carefully, okay?
Hell yeah, yo.
Cool.
That's called getting your ass smacketh. I'm missing a lot of those coins. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Juliet, you have to be careful.
I got this. Relax. Chase all that. Oh crap. Try that again. Damn it. Why am I having trouble? Wrong way, Juliet. Why am I going off that thing fucking sideways? Fucking straight, Juliet. Straight, straight. Why is she going off of it sideways? She's fucking drunk. Stop. There we go.
I'll
Fuck.
show you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the big jump. Hold on.
Hold on with what?
Oh shit.
Basketball. Time you're killing them zombies. How many points can you rack up?
We're gonna see.
My glory.
It seems like a one-sided game.
Cool, I'm great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
That's a basket.
3 points.
Okay, okay, fuck off.
Where'd all those rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
From Awesome.
Jesus Christ. Back the fuck up.
Fantastic.
Jesus Christ, dude. Jesus Christ. Everybody can go fuck right the fuck off. God damn.
The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Jesus Christ. They kicked my fucking ass right there, man. Oh, Jesus. I hate this dash thing. It's stupid. Missed it. That's great. Alright, you fucking stop. I think I'm gonna start getting some attacks too. Okay, so that's how it is. Big jump.
Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay,
Big jump.
My butt.
sorry.
Hey. Well, that's now. Everybody else, yeah, you. Oh, Jesus. Zombies at the gym. Seriously?
Running zombies?
Okay.
Fucking stupid.
Yeah. What kind of idiot would come
That's
up
funny.
with that?
He said, fucking stupid. Alright, bitches. Fuck both of you. How's that sound? Bitches. That wasn't. You can go fuck off.
Where are my beautiful grandchildren?
What the hell is that? That looks like the bitch from fucking Evil Dead, bro. They are deader than shit, Danielle. Missed me. Oh, you fat bitch. Damn it, Julia. Just hit the fucking zombie, bro. How How does it feel to be fat and stupid? Oh. Ouch. Ouch, fatty. Fuck you.
I'm dying and really fat.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, that's why.
What the
Instead
dick
of
is
dying,
going
you're
on
really
with all this
fat.
crazy stuff?
What the dick?
It's my new phrase I invented. Do you like it?
Ready? Okay. Undead, we
Oh.
suck and we are
She said, what the dick?
decapitate. You two
Alright, let's do it.
wake up. It's time to die.
Oh no! My squad has joined the zombies!
God, Agnes used to be so hot. Now she has an intestine coming out of her vagina. Ugh.
I regret those 3 videos.
Hells to the yeah. She's glitched.
Holy, we better get out of here.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
Oh my god! Easter egg! Oh.
I need another tampon.
Oh yeah.
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
That was so freaking random.
Alright! So,
What the hell that was, but okay.
well...
Juliet, it's Cordelia. Just
Hi,
a tip,
Cordelia.
sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
Well, I didn't know that, so common hunter these nuts. Mean ass. Common hunter knowledge, these nuts. So I have to do the damn dash again. This thing sucks.
Nick,
Alright,
it
now
would be
say
really
hi.
cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right? Oh well.
One,
Oh, feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, Nick. That was so hot.
I'll tell you what, man. The way she be talking, yo, you know what I'm saying? All right.
Big jump! Woohoo!
Superhuman. Big jump. Big jump.
They're right that lightning doesn't strike twice. It strikes like 18 times.
Did I just get electrocuted? Ow. What's that electrocuted?
To the rescue. We'll rescue everyone.
I feel like singing It's Raining Men.
That would be funny, Nick. Time to kill these effers.
Damn it. Paul is a pain in my ass. Have that Paul, it's for you and you, bitch. I'm the beast. I gotta get that Lolipop. What the hell's that Lolipop? Lolipop. Lolipop. Yup. Fucking eh.
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
That was funny. He's a torso and legs and stuff, not a dick. Dude, he's funny. I like that character. Nick is awesome. He's a hope it's a leg and torso and stuff, and not a dick. Oh, sorry, dude. That Nick guy's cool as shit.
I see the ship.
Hope it's a leg and torso and stuff, not a dick. That was funny. That was good. That made me giggle.
Nice jump.
Thank you.
Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
Cordelia is like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Alright. Left trigger to A, right trigger to shoot. Oh, so I have to shoot?
Ha! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Sweet shot.
Awesome.
How do I do this?
Rat!
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball.
Autocut zombie Nick must run the bases.
Here I go! Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
Yeah! Yes!
Rat!
I'll tell Williams your face.
Awesome.
Yes!
Rat!
It's a home run.
Boom, strikeout,
Let's
bitch.
keep going.
What does mean?
The hell? Oh, they zombie strike. I must have fucked something up awesomely.
Home run.
Oh man, this is fun.
Awesome. I should have been team captain. All right.
Amazing.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
Bye-bye, bitches. Oh, yeah. Boom, 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 boom in the room, bitches. Take me out to the ball game. Whoops.
Yes. Victory. Looks like
Victory is ours.
And she's a real babe.
Hell yeah.
I should do this all day, but I think we better move on.
Yeah, I guess we should find my sister.
I think the ship went over to the school's unrealistically gigantic swimming pool.
Totally. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? Oh, there's no way. Those things are death traps. Bad enough your dad has one, and the same goes for you.
Let's see what we're looking at on
God,
cash.
I love shopping.
I'll just go wait
Let's
till we get the
go.
holy chainsaw. Holy chainsaw.
Cordelia!
What? Juliet, there's something on you.
No, Cordelia! That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Ouch.
The whole no body thing is
Oh,
cool.
Jesus.
I wouldn't have to worry about gaining weight. Food would just fall out of my neck.
OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Like, I'm sorry I'm not talking that much. I'm just... This game is amazing.
Bye-bye, Screening! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54V. Right.
What the hell's 54?
Good luck, sis! And you too! Cute head boyfriend whose name I forget! If it isn't the Pirates
Cute
of the
head
Jerk-Offian.
The jerk off.
Got a lot of balls setting foot on
That's
this ship,
hilarious.
Stefan.
This game is funny as hell.
I'm getting a little seasick.
All right, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks. I'm gonna use her face to make the hat! And use her spine as a back scratcher!
Oh yeah? Bring it on, bitch. You ain't nothing. You look like a shop.com freaking
Let's show her the
Thor.
Viking way!
Get out of here. Wish.com Thor, Vicky. Bring it. Well, whoop your ass. You have no idea.
We are Vikings, short and stout. We like to drink and fuck.
Well, it's a cool song. Why you running, bitch?
What's with the drums? Was he auditioning for Stomp 2 or something? Lightning has always freaked me out.
What happened? Dude, you're a big bitch. Oh, ow. Sorry, Vicky.
What the fuck's with the pet bear? Get away from him when he's charging up.
Ready?
Kill those stupid fucking retarded legs first.
Sorry, Vicky.
He's like a worm, there's two of them?
Ouch. Guarantee I'm gonna beat you first, bitch.
Use the blaster.
Bitch.
Pretty cool.
Not happening. Bitch. Ouch. Fucking take it, bitch. That is for you.
You got a lot of gall, little girl.
Oh, give me a fucking
Tell me
break.
that's it.
I'm out. Ouch.
Hit him with the blaster from far away.
Die!
Chainsaw blaster.
What's up, Vicky? Ow. Eat it. Eat your face, bitch. A head, bro.
Feel the power of the gods in his blood.
Okay. Lolipop me up. Feel the power of these nuts. Big bitch. Vicky!
Yes, it's time! Finish him!
Well, eat it, you son of a bitch! Waja! You are dead.
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Hell yeah. And you're dead too. Oh. Oh, to the yeah.
This bites my non-existent balls.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay then.
Oh yeah. That's called kicking some ass.
Totally
But
awesome.
yeah. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. But alright guys, well, I think this is a good stopping point. A little less than an hour. We dove in, we beat another boss. And yeah, so I think with all that being said, guys, I think it's, like I said, this is a good stopping point. We can stop it for today. Put this up for you guys, that way you guys have it. And like I said, I'm going to try to bust through these pretty quick. You'll be seeing a few uploads, a couple uploads a week with these games. So, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Sorry, like, I don't talk as much when I play this. It's just I'm just so endowed with this game and like the dialogue and all that other stuff. But I'm having a great time with it. This game's hella fun. Yeah, you know, I'm kind of glad I'm experiencing it now with you guys for the first time, because I never played the originals, so this is all new to me, and this game is great. And yeah, so, but all right, guys, with all that being said, I love you guys. Thank you guys. If you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification. That way, every time your boy Media Fiend throws up one of these playthroughs, you're in the know. Also, be ready, Spooktober. We are gonna rock it. And it might take all the way until sometime in November, but we're going to do it big, guys. So, all right, guys, all that being said, I love you guys. Thank you, guys. And until next time, this is your boy Media Fiend saying, as always, be chill. And we out. Peace.